Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can delete a repository on GitHub, and it will be a complete beginner tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, we already have a couple of repositories, so I just need to select one of them. Once I click this one, I enter on the repository. So now I will get a couple of options, like here you can see in the top. So you just need to click onto the setting. Once you click over here, then you will get this kind of options. So you just need to scroll down to the bottom, and then you will eventually get this option called delete this repository. So you just need to click this one, and then I want to delete this repository. Just click this one. Once you click over here, then they are giving us an information. So if you want to read it, you are allowed to read it. So here you just need to click I have it and understand this effort. You just need to click this, and then you just need to type that word like fully. Once it's done, then here you will get the option to delete this one. Now you just need to provide your password and then just hit the confirm button, and your repository already been deleted. So this way you can easily delete your repository by using GitHub. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.